Picture yourself as an astronaut drifting silently through space, unaware you're being pulled toward a black hole. The black hole is invisible, its presence revealed only by the way it warps the starlight around it, a cosmic lens bending reality. As you approach, the universe distorts. Stars stretch into arcs, light twists into glowing rings, and the familiar cosmos becomes a surreal painting. To your friends on the ship, your descent looks strange. You appear to slow down, your image fading and reddening as if time itself is grinding to a halt. This is gravitational redshift and time dilation, Einstein's relativity in action. But for you, time feels normal. Your watch ticks on, and you accelerate toward the darkness. Two realities unfold. To the outside world, you freeze at the edge. To yourself, you plunge ever faster. The closer you get, the more the universe warps. And the more you realize you're crossing into a realm where the rules of time and space are about to change forever. You are a living clock, ticking toward the unknown, as gravity winds you down for everyone but yourself. The black hole's pull is relentless, silent, and absolute. You're on a one-way journey. No turning back. The abyss awaits. You reach the event horizon, the point of no return. There's no sign or barrier, just an invisible boundary where escape becomes impossible. Crossing it is eerily uneventful. You feel nothing, but your fate is sealed. In a supermassive black hole, tidal forces are gentle at first, letting you pass through intact. Inside, space and time swap roles. You can only move forward, toward the singularity. The center isn't a place you can avoid, it's your future, as inevitable as tomorrow. Looking back, the universe shrinks to a bright window, time outside racing by and fast forward. You witness the cosmos age in moments, a final glimpse before the black hole closes around you. Every path now leads to the same end. You are a traveler, in a land with no exit. Past the event horizon, reality is rewritten. The direction toward the singularity is now your future. You can't stop, only fall deeper. Even light can't escape. Shine a flashlight, and its beam curves inward, trapped like you. All paths, for matter and energy, funnel to the center. In smaller black holes, tidal forces become brutal. Your body stretches, pulled apart atom by atom in a process called spaghettification. In supermassive black holes, this fate is delayed, giving you moments to witness the bizarre interior. But the end is certain. Gravity will eventually tear you apart. Whether quickly or slowly, you're unmade by the force that binds galaxies. The black hole is a one-way funnel. No escape, only descent. Your journey is now a countdown to oblivion. The singularity draws you in. As you fall, time outside accelerates. Stars are born and die in seconds. Galaxies collide and fade. You're a lone witness to the universe's finale, isolated from everything you knew. No message can escape. You're cut off, erased from the observable cosmos. Spaghettification begins. Gravity overwhelms your body, pulling you into a stream of particles. Your atoms, memories, and identity are dismantled, becoming part of the black hole. Only your mass, charge, and spin remain, added to the black hole's own. You're no longer an observer, but a part of the abyss. Your story ends, but your essence lingers, woven into the black hole's fabric. The universe moves on. You are now a silent influence on its future. The journey is over, but your imprint endures. At the center lies the singularity, a point where physics breaks down and our understanding ends. Your particles reach this mystery, ceasing to exist in any familiar way. Some theories suggest the singularity isn't infinite, but a Planck star, where matter might bounce or escape elsewhere. Others propose the holographic principle. Your information isn't lost, but encoded on the event horizon, preserved like a cosmic memory. To the outside world, you're frozen at the edge. To yourself, your journey is swift and final. You pass through, witness the universe's future, and are dismantled by gravity. Yet, your information may be held forever, a silent monument to your fall. The black hole keeps your story, etched on its surface. In the end, you vanish, but your existence is never truly forgotten.